Okay, so the three methods on capturing your game. We'll start off with the first one. What you're going to do is go to your sources down here in the corner. You're going to click the plus button. Method number one is through a display capture. Now I've already got one existing, so I'm just going to click on that. Otherwise, if you don't, you just create a new one right there. And voila, that'll capture your monitor on which the game is displayed. If that is not it, then you'll go to the drop down menu and click which display the game is displayed on. That's method number one. Method number two is to go to the plus button again. You go to window capture, which is right here. I've already got one created, so I'm going to go to add existing. If you haven't, then you're going to create a new one. You can click OK. And there it is. It's going to come up like this. You're just going to capture Realm Royale's window or whatever game you have displayed. For me, it's Realm Royale. That's option number two. And the third option, which is the one that I preferably use the most because it's less CPU intensive on your computer, is to go to game capture. I don't know why it's the case, but this is just less straining on the computer. If the game is running on full screen, what you're going to do is just leave it and press OK. But if you've got it on borderless window or something like that, you're going to go to capture specific window and then click the drop down and click the actual game, which will come up as an exe file, an execute file. So there's the game. Now, once you've picked your display, as I said, I recommend using game capture. You're going to need to set up the game audio. So to do that, there are actually multiple ways to do this. If you just want a standard, quickly bare bones, get into it style, just go to desktop audio, click the cogwheel, go to properties, and then click your headphones or whatever you're listening to the game with. Now, currently set the way it is, the game's going to peak and it's going to go up into this red section and clip. So what you're going to do, just to fix audio real quickly, it's dead easy to do. Click the cogwheel, go to filters, click the plus button, and you're going to go to limiter. And just press OK, and just set it to like -6 decibels. That means the game will not go past -6 decibels, which is approximately right here. So you won't get peaking audio, which is terrible for your viewers' ears. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll be back with another one very soon. See you later.